Coucou, je pense que tu te portes bien. In this video, we are going to talk about shopping. I hope you are excited. If you are a lady, you are a guy, you probably have to go shopping. Shopping in French is called
The French Master GH, the French Master GH, the French Master GH, the French Master GH.
TheFrenchMasterGH.com.
Learn French the easy way.
Shopping in French is called faire du shopping. Faire du shopping. As for the spelling, it's the same. You know, language goes with the culture. If you go to France or any francophone country and you go to a store to buy something, we call a store un magasin. Okay, un magasin. Magasin ou bien boutique de mode. So when you go to a magasin ou bien boutique de mode to buy an item, the first thing you need to do is to greet the people. It will be absurd if you don't greet them. So the first thing you can do, hello, or coucou, or bonjour. Then you start your conversation. If you want to leave the shop, it will also be appropriate to say merci et bonne journée, or au revoir, bonne journée. It's very, very important. Respect is associated with the French culture. They value respect a lot. So you always need to do that. You will not do as if you don't care. No. When you are leaving, it will be very appropriate to say au revoir, bonne journée, goodbye. I wish you a good day. Okay, good. Let's go to the main issue. Sales or being in stock is called les soldes. Les soldes. Les soldes. Les soldes. So, for instance, if I want to ask if this shirt, okay, is in sales or is in stock, I'll say, est-ce que cette chemise est en solde? Ou bien, c'est en solde? Est-ce que la chemise est en solde? Is this shirt in stock? Do you have it in your shop? When you buy items, how do you pay? You have different types of payments or different payment methods. You have different payment methods. You can either pay in cash or you pay by a bank card or something, right? To pay in cash is called payer en liquide. Okay? So if I'm done shopping, I can say, est-ce que je peux payer en liquide? Don't say, est-ce que je peux payer en cash? No. Est-ce que je peux payer en liquide? If it's through a bank card, ATM card, or any card, est-ce que je peux payer par carte bancaire? Okay, in cash, par liquide. Then, bank card is carte bancaire. How do you ask of your bill? S'il vous plaît, l'addition fait combien? S'il vous plaît, l'addition fait combien? L'addition is the total, okay? The total of the items you bought. S'il vous plaît, l'addition fait combien? Ou bien c'est combien l'addition? But to ask for the price of a particular item, you can simply say, c'est à combien? So if I want to buy a pair of trousers, I'll say, ce pantalon est à combien? C'est combien ce pantalon? C'est combien cette chemise? C'est combien cette jupe? Okay? C'est combien ces caleçons? Okay? C'est combien ces chaussures? At done shopping, sometimes you like to try out the things that you buy. Okay? So the dressing room where you are going to change is called les cabines. Les cabines. So you can ask them, avez-vous des cabines? Ou bien, où se trouve la cabine? Then they will show you the cabine, which is the dressing room. You go and try the things out. Okay? In the cabine, nous avons les miroirs. Miroir is the mirror, okay, where you see how the thing fits on you. To say it fits on me, You say, ça me va bien. Ça me va bien. Okay? Talking about sizes. Okay, sizes. Let's say, okay, I want to buy a trouser of size 32. Okay? Je veux acheter un pantalon de taille 32. So size here is taille, la taille 32, taille 32. Now when you go shopping, sometimes you might not go shopping for clothes. You might go shopping at a supermarket, okay? So what you use to roll, okay, the basket is called le panier, le panier. So you can ask for le panier and then pick items individually. And then you ask for the price. C'est combien? Or you see the price tag there, you pick them. When you get to the reception, okay, then you can ask them, l'addition fait combien? And they will do that for you. Right. I hope you've learned a few terms in shopping. So to say going for shopping in French is faire du shopping. Faire du shopping. Et on peut payer en liquide, on peut payer par carte bancaire. Arriver, il faut dire hello, bonjour ou bien coucou. Avant de partir, il faut dire au revoir, bonne journée. OK? Et tu peux aussi demander si l'article, the goods, OK? Si l'article est en solde.